So guys, a lot of people say floating TV console are not strong, and honestly, it depends on how it's built. So before I say anything, let's watch this video.
I went through the comments and someone said, "Get ready with me as a check this say." That's a very a very valid caption to use. Okay, let us address it. So this is a quick design tip from me to you. A floating TV console is not meant for sitting. It is not. It is not a couch. Yes, it is strong for wall mounting. It's designed to give that aesthetics and more storage, but not for sitting. Some were even blaming it on poor craftsmanship. The artisan used a terrible board, MDF, HDF, yada yada yada. Regardless of what material, it cannot withstand human size. It can't. You know the funny thing?
Tell me.
He saw the signs, but he was waiting for wonders. Thankfully, the TV did not get broken. Because, do you know how much TVs are? God, I mean. Okay, let me know what you guys think. I'll be in the comments. If it's meant to sit on a floating TV console, or it's just poor craftsmanship.
So a lot of people need to understand this. Floating doesn't mean weak. It means properly built. Let me come again. Floating TV console doesn't mean weak. It means properly built. So before I even say anything, let's watch this video. Can you see? So a lot of people say floating TV console are not strong, are not meant for sitting. Yes, they are not meant for sitting. But honestly, it depends on how it's built. This one right here is made up with MDF. Yes, but structure is everything, and there is a big difference between knowing materials and knowing how to use them. Some people even use quality materials. Poor craftsmanship will still float the project. For real. Strength is not just about the board, it's about reinforcement, it's about internal framing, proper anchoring, correct load distribution. If you don't anchor it into a solid wall support, my dear, it will fail. But when it's done professionally, it can withstand serious weight. Like it can withstand human weight. As you can see, I stand on it. My friend also stood on it, and it's still solid. So floating doesn't really mean weak. Poor installation is what fails. So proper engineering is what lasts. At Temi Pro Finish, you don't just install, we reinforce. So you remember this: your space, my canvas. Your space, my canvas. Follow me for more tips like this at Temi Pro Finish. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Thanks for following.